Welcome to Is PayTrie Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to PayTrie Wallet and additional resources are available in the description below. PayTrie Wallet is a digital wallet designed for users who want to securely store, manage, and spend their cryptocurrencies with ease. It's tailored for those who frequently engage with digital assets in everyday transactions, offering a seamless bridge between traditional finance and the crypto world. This wallet stands out for its emphasis on simplicity, security, and convenience, aiming to provide both newcomers and seasoned crypto users with a reliable solution for managing their assets. PayTrie Wallet supports a variety of popular cryptocurrencies, making it an appealing option for users with diverse portfolios. Its straightforward interface allows for easy sending, receiving, and storing of digital assets. One notable feature is its integration with PayTrie's unique payment system, which enables users to pay for goods and services directly with cryptocurrency, further enhancing the wallet's utility in everyday transactions. This makes it an attractive option for crypto users who want to use their digital currencies in the real world without relying on third-party exchanges or services. When it comes to security, PayTrie Wallet incorporates robust encryption to protect user data and private keys. It also provides a backup and recovery feature through a seed phrase, ensuring that you can regain access to your wallet in case your device is lost or compromised. Additionally, the wallet allows users to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, adding an extra layer of protection. While PayTrie Wallet is not as well known as some other major wallets, its focus on both security and user experience positions it as a solid choice for those looking for a secure, easy-to-use wallet for everyday crypto transactions. Its combination of key features, including secure storage, multi-currency support, and the ability to make purchases with crypto, makes it a valuable tool for users seeking a practical, secure crypto wallet solution. For more details, check the description below.